What's up everyone, Busyless here, and in today's Sweet Sound Sunday we will be designing quite a disrespectful and distorted and talking bass that says really nasty things, and it sounds like that. Okay, so let's get going. Okay, so let's grab a fresh instance of Pigments. And then let's reset the template. So we go to template, here, and go default. Let's switch everything off. Let's leave just a wavetable here. And we're gonna choose Pigments 3.5 and harsher. And it sounds like that, but that's not what we want to do. So, okay, let's first change the keyboard mode to mono because we'll be designing bass. Then detune it, -24 semitones. Okay, let's do some magic with LFO. But let's design envelopes first. First envelope is going to be the amp envelope. Make it a little bit longer and then a little bit of a release. Okay, the first envelope will be quite spiky as it is now. Okay, and then the third one will be a little bit like that. That will be our talking envelope. So let's do a little slower attack, and we will play with that a little bit later. So then LFOs. First LFO really slow and free running, so it doesn't reset every time we press the button, and we're gonna assign it to the position of a wavetable, LFO number 1. Okay, and let's break our waveform. Let's break our waveform a little bit more. So let's use these FM options. Okay. We can play with that a little bit later. Then let's add a little bit of unison, but just a tiny detune. Okay, now it sounds a little bit better. And let's go straight to the filter. So filter 1, it's going to be multi-mode. Let's go really low on that. Add a little bit of resonance, but then we're going to add our envelope number 2. Same with resonance, add a little bit of an envelope. Okay, perfect. Now let's add a filter number 2, and that will be our talking filter. So let's go to formant. Let's go to morph around the middle. And we want to drag some of the signals straight to the filter 2 as well. And let's add this frequency shift to be operated by envelope number 3. We can play with the morph to achieve different sounds. And then let's design the envelope 3 now a little bit better. So we go here to the envelopes and let's say like that, it's fine. And then we might also want to move that attack and decay a little bit while we press lower keys. So let's use this keyboard. We go down. So if we press lower keys, the attack will be slower. Yes. And then the same with the decay. When you go that, the decay will be also slower when you play on the lower notes than on the higher. Okay, not so bad. And now basically we might want to add a little bit of some other sound information. So let's go to the analog and let's break things a little bit here as well. So let's go -12 semitones. And then let's hold it like that. That's going to add us a little bit more information to get distorted and more harmonics. Okay, so yeah, let's do the effects. So first effect will be surprise, surprise, distortion. And then we're going to use the wiggle for that and add a drive. Okay, now the second effect, surprise, surprise, it will be another distortion. And this time we're going to use the germanium mode, and let's drive it quite a lot. And then we want to cut off some of the high frequencies that are already hurting our ears. So let's go to multi-filter and let's choose 24 decibels per octave slope. Like that. Then we can go black and play with a little bit with the synths. Okay, and then also what we want to do is add some more effects. So we want to compress it a tiny bit. There we go. And then we want to find the threshold. Like 3 to 1 will be enough. A little bit slower attack. Longer release. Now, let's add chorus, but just a tiny bit. And then a little bit of a delay. Why not? Not that much. Oh yeah, and we want to go back to the distortion and add the filters. So add low pass filter. Same here. That's it, I guess. It's all done. So we have the synths, we have the wavetable analog, we have some filters designed. We can of course play with the envelopes and everything. We can play with morph to get different sounds. So there we go, quite disrespectful and talking bass, distorted. There you go. Okay, that was quick and fun, and as usual, thanks so much for watching. Of course, don't forget to like and subscribe the video, that helps a lot, and see you in the next episode. Cheers, bye.